Where is he?
Unknown. There's an unusual signal up ahead. Maybe that's him.
I thought perhaps that I had misjudged you. You would allow your cohort to die for the greater good. I pity you that I was correct. The House of Reckoning. Such an appropriate name. Many of your kind have entered this arena. None have left. Come, look upon my work. Understand why we won. It is no accident that the Banished were able to win so decisively. Arm yourself, Master Chief. Scavenge this battlefield. Know that each item you find is a remnant of their sacrifice, and a testament to our strength. Now start this fight! I will show you the power of the Banished!
think that's it. We should keep moving.
Created a false god, Cortana. Destroyed my world, my home. But she could not kill the fire that burns in the heart of the banished. It made us stronger! Can you say the same?
Why is he telling you all this?
Death changes people. It forces you to look at yourself, make a choice.
And what did he choose?
Same as I would. Fight.
Do you recall the siege of Valganar? One settlement held out against my forces for 19 days. They fought well to the end. But their fate was sealed from the start. This was never about ceremony, but about observing choices, reactions, fear. Gather what you need, Spartan. A storm approaches beyond these walls. Each misstep you make is the ammunition I need to dismantle your spirit. Prepare yourself for the end!
Human!
This world, looping, repeating, forever. Is it a symbol of life, or a cruel joke by the Forerunners? You were there when we struck the Infinity. The first dreadnought came from the side. In the chaos that followed, you hardly had time to notice the other three bear down upon you. Do you know how long it took us to neutralize your greatest ship? 4 minutes! In 4 minutes, the Infinity, mankind's finest achievement, became a memory.
The end approaches. But first, our last surprise.
Good, and can you sing? Okay, now say bye-bye. And I love you. Okay, now say bye-bye. Good, and can you sing?
I miss you.
How about I miss you? And I love you.
Mary had a
Okay, Daddy's listening. Can you say hi?
Mary had a I love you, Daddy. So big.
And good. And can you say I can't wait to see you again?
I miss you.
Okay, Daddy's listening. Can you say hi? Good, and can you sing? How about I miss you?
I love you, Daddy.
And good. And can you say I can't wait to see you again? And show Daddy how big you are. Say. Okay, Daddy's listening. Can you say hi?
Mary had a
And I love you. Okay, Daddy's listening. Can you say hi?
Mary had a Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you, Daddy. Mary had a
Good singing.
so big.
And show Daddy how big you are. Say. And I love you. How about I miss you? How about I miss you? Oh, I miss you. Good, Egg.
I miss you.
And I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Break two. Meet your end. Say goodbye.
Blade Master. Show him why I chose you. He wanted to kill your friend, but I promised him a sweeter kill, or a warrior's death.
Whatever the outcome, know this. The Banished control this ring. We came for war. 1,000 legions occupy this world. The Auditorium will give up its secrets. Your interference is just an irritation. Fleeting.
I'm getting a read on Echo 216. He's right above us. There he is. We need to get him out of that thing.
You shouldn't have come for me. I'm...
Microgravity wells are putting enormous stress on his body.
I told you that I would not kill him.
Leave me. Run!
We'll get you out of here.
No, you will try.
Chief, he's here.
He knows I'm here. This was never a trap. It is a test of metal. Our battle ends here.
Get him out of there.
On it.
Bear witness.
Escherum's shield. Any damage you inflict on Escherum is transferred to Echo 216. The power's transmitted via a series of relays around the room. Let's see if I can... Got it. Relay's exposed. Destroy it.
Your hesitation reveals your weakness.
Chief, take out the relay.
History belongs to the vanished.
I don't know how much more he can take.
Blood and fire.
Relay's down, and so's his shield.
What if it will work to you? You cannot escape. Come on, fight harder.
Escherum's shield reactivated. Expose the relay.
Got it. Go. Hurry, Chief. Destroy the relay. He's invulnerable while the relays are active.
Grant you a warrior's death.
The shield's down. Now's your chance.
Cost you dearly. You will falter. Your fear and tremble. Let us test your legend.
Next relay's exposed. Take it out.
Do you really, Spartan? We are alive. I brought
And it's down. You know what to do.
I will crush you, fool! The best to be stomped, nothing more!
Final relay's exposed. Destroy it.
Well... Now you die! No! You will not defy me! None defy me!
That's it. Last relay destroyed. 216 is safe, Chief. Escharum wants you to prove your legend. Time to prove it.
Your shell will be my trophy! I'll tell you where you stand! I will claim the Master Chief as my greatest trophy! My greatest battle! My last battle! The Covenant is dead. Soon humanity will join them. Will not be stopped. Not by you. I'll break you in two. This is over. I scarcely felt that. I will deliver you to the dark, human. Is that all you can do, sucker? Time this game out.
You did it. Help me get him out. Okay.
I can't believe you came for me. So we're done now, right?
Spartan! Fight me.
It's over.
Nothing ends. My death will inspire 1,000 others. Tell them I died well.
I don't understand. You showed him respect. He was a monster.
Yes. But at the end, he was just a soldier. Hoping he'd done the right thing. Questioning his choices.
So is it over? Their leader's dead, right?
The intricacies of any action are complex.
What? What are you talking about?
There will be consequences. There always are.
What could be worse?
We need to move. The Harbingers at the auditorium, whatever she's planning.
It's worse. I get it. Okay then. I have one question before we leave.
What is it?
Has anyone seen a pelican? Ow! What? I'm just